Except for others are granted.
Now, what is your case?
My case is already lordship that 2 years.
In others' case, I think they were not directly implicated because they were implicated of having a connection with you. Is that it?
Their allegation was that they loaded those.
But there was no they had no position. According to the as far as I remember looking at the name, I have not seen the file. These people, according to the NCB, helped in loading and taking the truck. You were inside the truck.
Yes, I was there in the truck.
So there is a huge difference between you and others.
So that part is there, but delay part regarding delay lordship, that is there.
So your only ground will be the delay in trial.
Delay in trial.
So far relating to possession, let us not go to that. We have already seen that.
That I am not.
Don't go to that.
Yes.
Now only question is delay. After that, how many witnesses are examined?
4 witnesses examined.
How many are there?
9 witnesses.
Have you filed objection?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
What is your stand? Out of 9, 4 examine. When can you examine the rest?
Lordship, cross for Muzamil Hussain is pending, Lordship. On last date, they took adjournment, Lordship.
Where is that? Cross of whom?
For cross for Muzamil Hussain.
Muzamil Hussain cross. Where is the stage of Muzamil Hussain's cross?
Cross
by the lawyer of the
Yes,
Muslim.
Lordship. Yes, Lordship.
Why the Muzamil Hussain will be cross-examined? He is the accused.
is represented by a legal aid counsel.
When can you complete? Tell us.
Lordship,
If
Can
they
I
do
give
not take
direction?
adjournment.
Now the case is fixed on lordship 19/8/24.
Yes, how many witnesses has to be examined on 19/8? How many witnesses are called on 19/8? Tell us.
That order sheet I do not have.
You have it on Tuesday. We are taking it up. On the prayer of the learned counsel for NGB, matter stands adjourned till 19/8/2020. Matter no, not 25th, Tuesday. It is submitted by the parties that the next date of the case is fixed on 19/8/2024 for examination of witnesses, and that on the last occasion, the learned legal aid counsel representing the present petitioner took adjournment to cross-examine the witnesses present. Full stop. The learned standing counsel for NCB, who are the other witnesses to be produced? Learned standing counsel for the NCB on the next date fixed shall apprise this court whether they will be able to produce the witnesses for cross-examination on next date fixed, in as much as out of
Lordship, 8
out of 9 witnesses, already 4 witnesses have been examined.
Here, 8 witnesses.
8 witnesses.
Page 51.
Anyway, 8, 9, that will not be okay. Yes, you have your instruction. And your job is not over on filing of the charge sheet, or what you call it, what do you call it?
Final complaint.
Final complaint. Your job is not over there. And if you delay your process, will allow them to go, considering Article 21. Make it clear to your officer. Yes.
May I please tell you?
Yes.
Kindly see the last order, my lord, 17/5/2024. Lordship observation.
This is POXO or what?
No, my lord, NDPS. Last order, my lord, 17/5.
This case.
Last paragraph, my lord, the observation to grant page.
Full stop. Okay, now how many witnesses in the meantime?
In the meantime, earlier your lordship said, one witness examined.
Hmm?
My lord, there are 14 number. I am in 4, my lord. Same, my lord.
It is four,
Four.
okay, okay.
There are 14 number of witnesses.
Hmm.
14 number of witnesses, matlab, out of them, two were examined. Matlab.
Hmm.
After two were examined, they approached this court. Matlab.
Hmm.
And after that, lordship direction within a 6 months, it has been completed. Only one witness has been taken. That is PW3, that is on the record. So,
Who looks after this prosecution? প্রথম বেগরে সহি করেন
কাক লইছে? কাক লইছে? তার নাম কিটা কম?
দেখলাম তার মুখ পড়ে রাখতে Yes,
That is limited submission, prolonged insurrection. And one more thing, lordship may pass no comment on that, my lord. And I also, the charge sheet was laid, my lord, under section, my lord, 21, my lord.
Hmm.
The charges were framed, my lord, under 20. 20 is, my lord, regarding cannabis.
Hmm.
And 21 is psychotropic substance.
substance.
We go that section, my lord, the trial goes on, my lord. We tell wrong.
চিহ্ন গুণাবদ্ধ করে দিয়েছে। Okay. Hmm. Pursuant to this court's order dated 17/5/2024, the registry has filed a report full stop. The submits a report that only one special court under section 36, one special case exclusively dealing with NDPS Act is constituted. However, the said court is not taking any cases for the reason that the presiding officer of the said court has been posted as faculty at Judicial Academy, Assam. However, Government of Assam has designated the session judges / additional session judges within bracket as the case may be as special judges under section 36 of the NDPS Act. However, these courts do not exclusively deal with cases registered under NDPS Act, and these courts also try other cases as well as cases under NDPS Act, if any. As per the said report, total 8,518 cases registered under NDPS Act are pending in the district courts of Assam as on 1/5/2024. And a total 4,37,125 cases are pending in the district courts of Assam as on 31/5/2024. Full stop. This court, while taking these bans, criminal bans, more particularly dealing with offenses under special act like NDPS, can very well take judicial notice that in many of the cases, the under trial prisoners are seeking bail on the ground of delay in prosecution, delay in prosecution. This court can also take judicial notice that in most of the cases, the prosecution witnesses are not present even after issuance of notice, and accordingly, cases are get delayed. And in the meantime, the accused are inside jail. Recently, the Honorable Apex Court in so-and-so versus so-and-so give the judgments, so-and-so.
All right.
After elaborately dealing with the provisions of rigor of Section 37 of the NDPS Act, has also opined that the ground of delay in trial can be a ground for consideration of bail inasmuch as the accused are having a right of speedy trial. Full stop. Right of speedy trial. The object of Section 36 of the NDPS Act is also very 36A of the NDPS Act is also very clear and loud, which mandates that the offenders are to be tried by a special court. Full stop. In the considered opinion of this court, such mandate is to achieve the object that trials are completed at the earliest possible time, inasmuch as the conditions of bail and other provisions under the Act are very stringent in nature. Full stop. In view of the aforesaid, this court now further seeks a report from the registry as regards total pendency of NDPS cases and their stages thereof district-wise. Full stop. So that further orders can be passed in this regard. Full stop. In the present case, the petitioners were arrested on
16/5/2022.
On 15/5/2022,
on 15/5/2022, search sheet was filed
29/07/2022,
on 29/7/22
22,
and the charges were framed
14/11/2022.
14/11/2022. The first witness was examined on
15/3/2020. No, that was first time the witnesses came on 15/3/2023 because Lordship, the legal aid counsel for
Okay.
the accused number was not.
Okay.
From that onward, 15/3/2023.
first witness was produced on 15/3.
So that was someone was issued. They
Ah.
were absent, but that is the
First summon
28 June
first summon for examination witness was issued on
that is Lordship before 15/3 because 15/3 they were absent.
no when it was issued first call
First is before 15/3.
in the month of
Lordship, it is
what was the date fixed?
Lordship, that was fixed for the first date was 15/3/2023. That the PW's action and issue phrase, they have issue phrase the summons.
Then it will be thereafter before that.
Before 15/3.
Initially issued fixing the date of appearance of the witnesses on 15/3/2023.
23.
However, witness was absent
Witness was
and
absent.
first time witness appeared on
20th June 23.
26.
28 of
22/07/2023.
22/07/2023.
Lordship, 26 2023.
2006.
2006/2023.
Yes.
Second one on 18th July 23.
And the second witness was examined on 18th of July 2023.
Lordship,
And the third-
PW3 was examined on 4/1/2024, Lordship.
And the fourth witness was examined on
Yes.
4th of January,
4th of January.
4th
Lordship.
of January 2024. Full stop.
Third witness, not fourth.
Third witness,
third.
first, second, third witness. Full stop. This court while dealing with bail application of the which accused your petition, bail application of the petitioner in BA number
In BA number.
Bill number 3536/2023.
2023 directed the
8/11/2023.
directed under its while dealing with a bail of the petitioner in BA number so and so under its order dated
2023.
8/11
2023.
2023
Okay.
requested the learned trial court to complete the examination of witness within 6 months.
6 months.
Within 6 months. Full stop. It is seen that though summons were issued, no witnesses has appeared. Thereafter, how many witnesses?
Lordship,
As per record, only one, my lord.
pardon?
Total 14. my lord.
14 numbers of witnesses are
Total
there.
3 were examined, 11 remaining.
11 remains.
After the aforesaid order, only one witnesses have been examined out of the total 3 witnesses examined till now. Am I correct?
Yes, yes.
2 were earlier,
Yes, yes.
one was subsequent to our
After
order.
Your lordship order. Yes.
And there are total 14 numbers of witnesses. Full stop. In the aforesaid backdrop, it is seen that there is a failure on the part of the prosecution to produce their witnesses. And in the aforesaid backdrop, this court will have no option left but to allow these petitioners to go on bail, considering the principles laid down by the Honorable Apex Court in
Ahmad Muslim.
I'm giving, my lord.
in
There are
number-
6 numbers of cases.
give the in so and so, full stop.
Lordship, after 8/11, only my humble submission is that 2 dates were one on 28/11, another one was 4/1, Lordship. Here on 28/11, Lordship.
No, we are not
this is
granting bail today. We are having some other ideas in mind. We will go to
Lordship.
that details on later date.
Lordship.
Full stop. Full stop. Full stop. In the aforesaid background, this court would like to have we would like to have a detailed report from the who is ADGP,
Lordship,
Assistant Director General of Police, prosecution.
prosecution. Right now, Director of Prosecution is not here, Lordship.
Not Director,
Okay.
Additional Director General of Police
Police.
Prosecution.
Yes, Lord.
Prosecution. As regards the policy of the prosecution in ensuring the presence of the witnesses, more particularly when the matters relates to the special act like NDPS, or matters relates to offenses under NDPS Act. Full stop. NDPS Act. Accordingly, full stop. This court would also like, full stop. Accordingly, list this matter on Tuesday next. 25/6.
25/6.
25/6/2024, on which date the order of the bail of the petitioners shall be considered, as well as this court would like to peruse the report from the ADGP. Full stop.
Here, my lord, 6 numbers of cases, my lord.
Okay,
There are bold, my lord.
okay. List this matter according. List this matter on so and so, so and so. This matter be treated as parted as this matter as parted, in as much as the present scope of the present bail application is expanded in view of the situation as discussed and detailed herein above, more particularly as regards pending delay in trial for non-examination of the prosecution witnesses. Full stop. 25th.
I have given,
List this matter along with criminal petition 479/2024.
I've given the case numbers, my lord.
Mm.
It's in the ball.
উঠিলে হ'ব, আৰু উঠিব তাৰ আগত পিছদিনা আৰু উঠিব। Yes,
439 application, Lordship.
where is the FIR?
Lordship, here it is a POXO matter, Lordship. And as per the office note, the service on the respondent number 2 is not completed, Lordship.
Now, case there is there?
Case diary is there,
What is the
Lordship, I have
material?
taken step, Lordship.
Lordship.
Materials against him? Let us see the 164 and 161.
Yes,
If we think that this is not a case for bail primarily, then we'll wait for the
Yes.
service.
85 days behind the Lordship.
And no, then also,
Lordship, 164, it is in the envelope, Lordship, that is packed there.
mm,
And otherwise 161 is there and other part that I. packed.
Lordship had granted bail to the co-accused, Lordship. I want to submit an order, Lordship.
but it was not brought to our notice that this was a service and all.
Lordship, we have taken step on 12/6/24. The order was on 11/6/24. We
How
have
many
taken
days?
85 days, Lordship. Custodial interrogation, Lordship, at this place.
Where is the service?
Service, I have a copy to give.
She was also in a drunk condition.
She was made that as per her statement, they were using force, and that part, the race part, she is not in a conscious position to know what has happened to her.
But there is no allegation of any rape or something.
In the medical report, Lordship, that was also flag marked. There, that part was not available,
But in her statement also not there. So this is not a case of POXO.
Lordship. Only there is that someone has taken his hand on that.
Say somebody has touched her hand.
Yes, something like that.
How, whether this? Where is the 164?
164, Lordship, it is in there, I think, where,
Have you flag marks?
no, Lordship, that is not opened, actually.
Sealed?
Only
Where is-
161, I have flag marked.
No, this is not 164. That
Okay.
is material exhibit, photographs.
Oh, Lordship, there is another one, I think, the government envelope is there.
Shasam? Hmm? What is your name? Your client's name?
Raju Ali, Lordship. Elias Rongalao.
Elias
Rongalao, Lordship.
Rongalao. What is your name? Mondal. You are Mondal.
Mondal was granted bail, Lordship. On 31/5, Lordship.
Who was granted?
Your lordship. Your lordship had granted bail.
No, to Mondal.
Mondal lordship, to Mondal.
These are the cases. How many days? 85 days.
85 days.
But what to do? When it was not brought to our notice that service is complete or not complete, we granted it. Now it is brought to our notice.
It has been taken for PP office. lordship.
Huh?
PP office we have given the step lordship.
Where is that? This is the problem. According to it, no steps has been taken. This is the report of 18/6. See, you are a lawyer. You must be aware. The notice under that notification 17 is to rotate through the registry. Then only will be aware. You have given to the PP office, how many documents comes to the PP till they might have thrown somewhere. So registry says no steps taken. See,
85 days lordship. Yes, lordship.
can I waive what is statutorily provided? Tell me some law or something that lordship can waive this without notice, pass this order. I will pass it right now. Give us handle to do this. The office note 18/6 says that no steps for issuance of notice for respondent to has been received by the registry till now. You have directly given to PP. How the registry will know that you have taken steps? How can we ask PP that you give a report? Because we must have a link that our High Court, because it is not your duty to submit. Registry will give it to them. That see, you take the service. They are post office only. And you cannot go directly to the postmaster. You will have to give the letter in the counter. He is the postman only. We'll take a chance on the last date of vacation, 85 days. Then it is here, you will get it.
Mandatory will be over lordship. It is
Mandatory waiver will grant it. Bail application will be pending here. Then we can grant you. Today is 85. When will it be 90 days?
25 on 25.
What we can do? We can ask you to take a fresh steps.
Lordship will take step
You
tomorrow
take-
lordship.
You take a fresh steps
Lordship,
by tomorrow.
Yes.
We are fixing it in on tomorrow, but registry will give it them on Monday. Then they will send it to the police station by wireless or whatsoever. Then police report.
Fix on Monday, Tuesday lordship.
Okay, learned counsel for the petitioner. You try to help him.
Yes, Lord.
Learned counsel in view of the office note dated 18/6/2024, the learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he will. Can you take the steps today itself? Nothing is there. It's you'll have to give a copy.
Yes, lordship.
We'll online the order right now. এটাই করে দিও। তোমার কি করলো? In view of the office note 18/6/2024, the learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he will take steps in terms of notification number 17 dated so and so during the course of the day. Also, accordingly, matter stands adjourned and be listed on Tuesday. 25th, you just use, if you can possible, you give it today. Try to send it so that you can case
It will be
diary
retained, Lord.
case diary be retained till Tuesday.
And your blessing.
This you have given it to PPSM. It will not be done. Why lawyers are not aware? We are giving the WhatsApp numbers. Everything are uploaded.
The POSCO Act, it has to be routed to the police station also.
That we understand. Therefore, there is a notification number 17. What it says, it is to be routed through police station, but not directly PP office. We have shortened the way. What we have said is that you give us the copies to us, we'll give it to PP office and we'll ensure PP has given, because PP will have to report to the registry that we have served it.
So an advocate would be relieved the moment he gives it to the registry.
Give it to the, that is for the helping the accused, we have done it. If you directly go to the PP office, then meaning thereby going to the postmaster, instead of going to the post office, there is no stamp, no seal. Don't you use the telegraph channel? Huh? Why are you doing all these hard works for creating telegraph channel? Do you use it? Are you having a telegraph channel? Subscribe. And you, Mr. Vishwas, no. Huh?
No.
Why?
We'll have to do it, my lord. Yesterday, someone was telling me that nowadays all news are getting updated.
Not on everything is updated. Even what is your case, today's case, you can see the what is the last order in the your telegraph channel. Just click the blue link. Any orders you can see. You need not come to the kiosk.
Today, definitely, first thing I'll do going to chamber is this telegraph channel.
You have subscribed the telegraph channel.
Absolutely.
By the end of this year or maybe first of this year, you will get everything in your mobile. Not only the orders, the petitions, the affidavits, everything you can see in yours. So be updated.
Absolutely. Thank you, Lord. My lord, this case, I prepared a small note. This is my case, my lord. Your lordship has already granted bail to the 4 accused. This is the fifth one.
That matter. When we will fix it?
19.
My lord, my case and that case is completely.
19th?
19 lordship, I will check lordship. This matter may be fixed along with the
Don't we understand? When have we fixed it?
19.
Not 22nd,
22nd.
25th.
Tuesday. Your lordship has.
We are granting you on to, not, I'll not say granting you Tuesday. This is the man who is similarly situated with the others. But in Ahmed's client, he is the person who is the main person who was with the truck. Is not it?
My lord.
And
if I
they
have
are the person who against whom allegation is that they had that is
Section
only on that statement.
Section 67.
Section 67. And all his co-accused we have already granted
Absolutely.
bail. So seems subject to what you say. Tuesday. Wait for 2 more days. Only on because you are getting only on technical grounds.
My lord, what we have seen from your lordship's order under the NDPS Act, well, subject to correction, that your lordship, if it is found from the possession, then your lordship goes in a different area. If it is,
Definitely.
absolutely, that is what we have.
You'll have to balance it.
Absolutely.
Position also will grant a bail if in the meantime the witnesses are examined and they say we have not seen. What remains? We have granted with possession bails. Because the witnesses say my signature was taken in the police station. I do not know where from this has come. We have granted bail. We'll have to apply our mind. That's all. Tuesday.
Tuesday I'll come as a subscriber of Telegram.
বলা গেল